What is it, spirits, that you would like us to know? Four of Wands. Somebody's dating. Somebody's dating the father of your child. You're dating your father of the child again. This might be a rekindled. Or you might not have never stopped dating the father of your child. Y'all just never got married, okay? Dating. This is the Eight of Pentacles, and it came in not just backwards, but upside down. So, the father of your child, you may have just dumped this person because he is on his head. So you may have been dating the father of your child for a while, and you just dumped him. You may have just dumped him. You may have just let him go. You feel like this masculine was deceiving you. The father of your child, you feel like, was deceiving you about love, about your divinely guided love. You feel deceived. Spirit is trying to tell you or give you clues that your perception might be off. With the Seven of Wands in reverse and upside down, this person wasn't being sneaky. You dumped somebody who wasn't deceiving you. You let somebody go that wasn't sneaking on you. You let somebody go that was very peaceful, loving, emotionally open, put you on a pedestal, gave you spiritual knowledge. The father of your child is your divinely guided love. I feel like because so much has happened, this person has left or chose to leave the mother of their child, which is you. Chariot is leaving. They're choosing to go into hermit mode, but they still wish to be with you. You are their wish fulfillment, but at the same time, you're their burden as well. Because you keep on, I want to say, accusing them under deception, and then them leaving. This comes up in reverse. The Ten of Cups comes up in reverse. So it's almost as if you are pushing away your Ten of Cups. This is a burden on this person that you will not fulfill their wishes. You're their wish. And you keep on accusing them of deceiving you into thinking that they're your divinely guided love, when this person's not being sneaky at all. They wish that you can be trusting of them. They wish that you didn't keep them hanging. They feel like every time it comes to y'all two, if he just wants to take you out on a date, you start asking why, what for, what you need to take me out on a date for, what you want, what do you really want. You don't never just take it for face value. You always want to battle them about everything. Like if he wants to take all three of y'all out, or four, how many children y'all have, you'll stop them and say, man, you don't got enough money for all that. So you tear them down as well. You You turn them down. And it really hurts his feelings that you do this in front of the kid or the children, the child or the children. See this? Right across from it is the truth and freedom. I feel like this person wants to have the freedom to do what they want with the kids on the holidays. Go have some fun. Go do some things. They don't care about the finances. That's what they work for, is to take care of their child. That's what they work for, is to spend time with their child. The finances isn't what they're battling. It's you. It's you. Wanting to fight them. Wanting to argue with them. Wanting to cause disruptions in the home. Okay? Hot lava is coming out of that volcano. So it ain't just a regular fight that's going on here. There's a whole catastrophe that's going on around y'all while you're fighting about spiritual backing, about starting over but not wanting to, about emotions coming in slow, about this person trying to fulfill their cups and they're giving but they don't feel like they're receiving from you, about them feeling like you're less powerful now, okay, like you can't manifest since you cut them off. Maybe you can manifest, and it's maybe this masculine feel like they can't produce anything since, okay? But they feel like you're manifesting all this chaos. Yep. So they want truth, but they want freedom. They want to be true to you, but they want freedom, and that's why right over the chariot, this is where this is falling. They're ready to walk away from this relationship because they don't feel like you trust them. They feel like you're accusing them of always juggling. Okay? Alright, so let's get some signs. Yeah. And then they share everything with you, and you still feel like dumping them. Okay? So they close their emotions off to you a lot. They don't hold back money from you because they always want their child taken care of. But they definitely hold back their emotions. So a lot of times you might feel like you're emotionally drowning when you're around this person. And that's because this person has chose to just go ahead and emotionally leave you out in the cold, because every time they try to make you a part of their world, they feel like they get stuck with frustration between the dark and the light side, because y'all end up arguing. And they don't want to say something that'll permanently disband y'all love for each other. This person puts you on a pedestal. This person feels like whenever everything else before the children, before the kid, y'all made each other very happy. Y'all fulfilled each other. Y'all looked out for each other. You see what I'm saying? This masculine felt fulfilled. But lately, they feel like something fishy has been going on. They feel as if you're tipping their cups over every time they offer you some type of love. Okay? They're coming up empty. The cornucopia is empty. They're coming up empty. So, they want to know, what's your secrets? What are you secretly doing? What are your addictions? What is your obsessions? What is your attachments that got you so distracted from them? They want to know, are y'all really supposed to be together? They're asking all these questions, and they're going to their religious leader. So they're working on themselves spiritually, and they're asking their religious leaders about you. Soon, y'all both are going to go through a spiritual awakening. Soon, y'all will know whether or not y'all want to stay together or separate. Thanks for watching. Check me out on TikTok. I'm under Queenrella13 _LLC. And you can book a reading with me from there, or just inbox me here and we can set up a reading as well. Thanks for popping in, and I appreciate your time.